na narito ngayon, kita-kita tayo sa PICC. And then nagkita-kita tayo ngayon. Let us reminisce a little, magbalik tanaw tayo sa mga experiences na meron tayo sa nagdaang 3 taon na pagsasama-sama natin. 3 years ago, or for non-maritime, it was 4 years ago, when we experienced abrupt changes in our learning modalities. From the normal or traditional learning experiences of face-to-face in mid-March of 2020, we had our new normal setup. We became more engaged on screen, cell phones, laptops, and computer sets. Long story short, dahil sa may pandemic is naging online yung setup natin, hindi tayo nagkikita-kita, and then life happened. Buti na lang nung mid-2021 na ibalik natin yung high-flex setup. Mostly mga laboratories yung mga face-to-face natin. So, nagkaroon tayo ng chance na magka-banding ng face-to-face and then makapag-build up ng relationship sa isa't isa. These are some of the experience na for me, napakasarap lang balikan. Hindi yung kung paano tayo nahirapan, kundi kung paano tayo nagpatuloy sa kabila ng hirap. And at this point, I strongly believe na every graduate here would agree on me. Ito ang pinakatamang pagkakataon para pasalamatan ng management for having that decision to continue to deliver the education for us. Did they not face and conquer the challenges brought by the pandemic? Malamang wala tayo ngayon dito sa PICC, tama ba? Sa pagkakataon na ito, pwedeng maraming sumuko, mga pailan-ilan, pero we made it. Ito rin ang tamang pagkakataon na pasalamatan ng ating mga guro na hindi sumuko para patuloy tayo na maturuan at patuloy na maibigay sa atin yung edukasyon na deserve natin sa kabila ng pandemic. Kung meron pang iba na hindi aware, ako syempre aware ako kasi as student leaders, nakakasama namin sa office yung mga faculties, mga staff, and then nakikita namin kung paano sila nag-work doon sa may loob ng 4 na sulok ng mga rooms. Patuloy silang nagpursige, nag-training in order to be equipped to the challenges brought by the new normal. Pasalamatan ang ating mga magulang na hindi napagod at sumuko para tayo ay suportahan. Thank you. Kaya sa pagkakataon na ito, i-invite ko pa lang sana kayo. I would like to invite everyone to give our management, faculty members, of course our parents, at ang mga sarili natin ng loudest clap na deserve natin. Each of us, the management, faculty members, and us, graduates, conquer the challenges, and that is how resilient we are. And every one of us applies our philosophy. From the words of our dear founder, Captain Willie Hadopi Adwid, we may not be able to change the direction of the wind, but as one family, we can always adjust our sails to reach the port of our destination. So kabisado ko kasi, cadet officer ako.
And the competent faculty of my alma mater shall guide me in my endeavors. As ever a loyal graduate of Asian Institute of Maritime Studies, I pledge to carry on its high standards and traditions. I shall always pursue achievement, integrity, mastery, and service. I shall uphold the dignity of labor, honesty, and respect to my superiors. I shall always remember that I am a Filipino. I shall fulfill my duties to my country and to God above all. I shall make myself worthy to be a graduate of my alma mater, the Asian Institute of Maritime
respect to their parents and loved ones. Aviation cadets are now bowing their Pershing Cup with a symbol of gratitude to their parents, families, and loved ones for the unconditional love, encouragement, and support throughout the years. The Aviation cadets render a smart salute with a sign of loyalty and respect to their alma mater. And finally, the Aviation cadets now bowing their Pershing Cup as they proudly bid goodbye to their fellow schoolmates, faculty and staff, and officials of their alma mater as they are now about to face the next challenges in their chosen profession. Once again, congratulations graduates, Sinag Bagsik, Batch 2023.
Please remain standing for the singing of Ames hymn to be led by the Ames Marching Band. May I request everyone to please all rise for the exit of colors.